My 18th property is now complete. We converted this from a 2-bedroom house into a 4-bedroom property. So today I'm going to show you around and also go through the figures. How much I purchased it for, how much the refurb costs, and what it's worth now. So let's go inside. So the very first time I went to view this property, I was actually toying with the idea of converting this into a service accommodation, because just down the road, 5 minutes down, there's the seafront over there. So it's a good location for a service accommodation, but I love buy-to-lets, and so we decided to convert this into a family home. So the very first room on your left, I don't know if you guys remember from the previous video, this was originally a reception room. We're going to convert this into a bedroom, nice and spacious. It's all refreshed. Got a nice colour on the feature wall, and we've got laminates across. So I like the idea of having the same laminate across all the ground floor. It just gives a minimal, clean, modern look. This is the living room. This stays as it is. That's the bedroom and the living room here. Initially, we toyed with the idea of knocking this wall down, having an open plan kitchen. It would have created a bit more space, but we decided against it. So this one was originally the second reception room. It's now essentially our only main living room. So one living room in this property now, bedroom over there, and this is how it looks now. What I'll do is I'll put some videos with how it used to look like before, and there was originally a fireplace as well, which we've had to take out because it was ugly. So the next room is the kitchen. The previous kitchen was old, it was dated, it needed completely replacing. So we've fitted a brand new kitchen in. Again, the flooring goes all the way across and it looks pretty nice. But the kitchen is not the only thing we had to completely replace. At the end is the bathroom. The bathroom was very old, it was dirty, needed replacing. So here we go, this is a new bathroom now. Tiling all the way across. We've had a floating sink fitted in, new bathroom, new shower, and now I reckon it looks good. So upstairs is where we've made the most changes, so let's go check it out. Let's talk about bedroom number 1, which is this one. Originally, it used to be twice the size of this room, and there was another room at the end of it. However, it didn't have its own access. So as a result, we couldn't really treat it as a bedroom. So we've sectioned this off, knocked down the wardrobes over here, and created a bedroom for this one. Because it didn't have its own access, it was kind of a waste of space. So we wanted to maximize that. So what we've done is we've sectioned it off, given its own access way, which I'm going to show you at the end. Bedroom number 1 is now downstairs. This is bedroom number 2. And now we're going to bedroom number 3, which used to be slightly bigger, but we've had to take some space to give bedroom number 4 its own corridor or its own access. So this is what bedroom number 3 looks like. It's still all in all a pretty spacious bedroom. So if you think about it, bedroom number 3 has only lost this much space, but instead look what we've gained. We've gained an extra bedroom. So this is the corridor. And now this is its own room, which is bedroom number 4. Now the most important part, the figures. So purchase price, we purchased this for £107,500. The full refurb, including converting this into 4 bedrooms, has cost me £27,000. Legal, £3,000. Broker fees, £500, and bridging costs, all in all, is going to cost me about £7,500. So my all-in cost for this property has been £149,289. What do we think it's going to be worth? So based on 2 comparables that have sold within this area, we've got 2 comparables, one for £209,000 and one for £250,000, but that's a 5-bedroom house. We're going to play safe. We think we can get anything from £190,000 to £195,000. If that is the case, then I'm going to be leaving around £2,000 to £7,000 money left in the deal. And as for rent, we're going to rent this out for £900 a month. And that's it. That's the end of the video. If you found value from this one, then you're going to like the one I'm going to pull up on the screen next. Go watch that one, and I'll see you soon.